side by side in double hold. We're going to walk slow, slow, and chassé quick, quick, slow, turning to face the other way. We repeat those 2 bars, walk slow, slow, and chassé quick, quick, slow. Now we come to the little scissors bit which we did in our yoga saunter, where we're going to cross and swivel, cross and tap, cross through and tap. So if we could show you those, that's the first 4 bars again. We're going to walk slow, slow, chassé, quick, quick, slow and turn. Slow, slow, chassé, quick, quick, slow. Cross and tap, cross and tap. Now the next 4 bars, we release the hold with our left hand. And so it's forward, 2, 3, side and close together. Against side balance, forward, side, close and glide together. Forward, side, close and glide together. So if I could just show you that one more time. Releasing the hold, counting in 3s. 1, 2, 3, glide, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3, glide, 2, 3, to come out facing our partners. So now, that was the first half. We're going to start off now with the second, because this is a 32-bar dance. Now we commence in double hold facing partner beginning, gentleman left, lady right. We're going to balance forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The lady is now going to waltz underneath the gentleman's left arm to a change of pace. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We repeat this. Gentleman left, lady right, balance forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This time the lady waltzes underneath the gentleman's left arm and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back to finishing facing partner. Now, if I could just explain to you that the balancing up is a balance, where we rise up onto the toes and back. So we do a forward balance and back, lady waltzing under, 2, 3, change of pace. Balance forward, balance back, lady under, 2, 3, and to finish back in our double hold. So we'll count a few in 3s, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, chassé, 2, 3, and turn. Walk 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, chassé, and turn. Our swivels and tap. Our swivels, now our back-to-back waltz and glide, back-to-back and glide against the line. 2, 3, now our balances. Balance up and back, lady waltz under the left arm. We balance up, we balance back, lady waltz under the arm, and there we are side by side. Now our next 4 bars are just glides. We're going to glide side, close, side, down the line of dance, and repeat it the other way. Side, close, side against the line. And to finish the dance, we end up with the waltz. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, opening out into double hold, and our commencing position. And now we're going to show you the whole dance from the beginning to the end, and hope that you'll, by this time, have mastered the routine. So gently commencing left, remember, lady right, walking. Slow, slow, chassé, and turn the other way. 2 walks, and the chassé. Swivel to the middle and tap. Come back and tap. Our half a waltz, turn back to back and glide, changing hands. Waltz again into double hold. Our balance forward and back, lady under the arm to change of place. We balance up and we balance back to our change of pace. Our glides down the line of dance, our glides against the line of dance, and adopting waltz forward, finishing with our waltz, ending with the man moving away into double hold, ready to repeat